AutoDS versus Aliexpress for dropshipping, detailed comparison. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll compare two the most popular platforms for dropshipping. Both platforms offer a wide range of different features to help us and grow our dropshipping business. However, there are some key differences between them, and in this video we'll compare them according to their features, prices, pros, cons, unique features. So at the end of the video, you'll know exactly which platform is the most suitable as for you. Also, I'll show you the way of how to get 1 month for free on AutoDS, like free trial for only $1, which is pretty cool. Make sure to watch this video till the very end. You can use my link in the description to get this bonus. And let's start from the features. AutoDS provides us the opportunity to use automated order fulfillment, product research and listening, inventory management, order tracking, customer support. So this platform is quite good. And if we'll talk about Aliexpress, they have like a huge marketplace with millions of products, as you know, of course, dropshipping support, payment processing, shipping options and customer support. They all have like common features such as automated order fulfillment. Both AutoDS and Aliexpress offer automated order fulfillment, which means that you don't have to manually process all the orders yourself. Product research and listening. Both platforms offer tools to help you find and list products in just a few clicks. Inventory management. Both platforms offer inventory management tools to help you keep track of your stock levels. Order tracking. They offer order tracking tools to help us to track our statuses and deliver them to our customers. Customer support. Both platforms offer customer support to help you with any questions or problems. And basically, let's take a look at the unique features. So on AutoDS, we have supplier optimizer. This feature helps you find the best suppliers for your products. They have auto price adjuster, like according to rules we'll set, they'll change prices automatically so we can compete with our competitors and other guys. We have order booster. This feature helps you increase your sales by sending automated emails to your customers. And if we're going to talk about Aliexpress, we'll have massive product selection. So they have like millions and millions of products we can add to our store. Dropshipping support provided by Aliexpress. So Aliexpress offers dropshipping support, which means that you can sell products from Aliexpress without having to stock them yourself. And also they have payment processing. Aliexpress offers payment processing services, which means that you can accept payments from your customers directly. If we're going to talk about prices, AutoDS offers 1 month free trial if you use it through my link at the description. So strongly recommend you to use it. You'll get 1 month instead of 2 weeks. And then paid plan starts from like $25 per month if you're going to use early subscription. So if you want to use it for a long time, definitely use the like annual plan. Basically you'll save up to like 25%. And Aliexpress is free to use. However, you'll need to pay for the products that you sell. And pros and cons. AutoDS pros: easy to use, automated order fulfillment, wide range of features, excellent customer support. Cons: can be expensive, not as many products to choose from as Aliexpress. Aliexpress: free to use, massive product selection, dropshipping support and payment processing. Cons: not easy to use as AutoDS, can be difficult to find reliable suppliers. Customer support is not as good as AutoDS. So what can we say in conclusion? In conclusion, we can say that AutoDS and Aliexpress are both great platforms, but depends on your aim. Some platform could be a little bit better. So as for me, AutoDS is a good option. It's like really easy to use, and has a wide range of features. And Aliexpress has a huge amount of different products, but could be a little bit harder to start with. So here is a breakdown of which platform is best for different types of users. AutoDS is better option for beginners because it's easier and has more features. Aliexpress is better option for experienced dropshippers because it has massive product selection and is free to use. AutoDS is better option for those who want a wide range of features. And Aliexpress is a better option for those who want a massive product selection. And Aliexpress also better option for those who want a free platform. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the difference between AutoDS and Aliexpress. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Use links in the description, it's really important. You'll support my channel and get the best conditions to start with dropshipping. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.